good work ahead. I see some machinery across on the other side. I'm going to turn left. Be prepared to stop. This is the road coming from Franklinville, headed back toward US 64 on this bright, sunshiny day of a Tuesday. Be ready to obey the flag. They've been doing up high utility work here. See the orange up there? Let's see if it's active. I'm not seeing anything yet. More orange in the road, and we see a crane, and he wants me to go slow, so I'll stay away from him. There you go. And this is the Baptist Day School. Oh, they're definitely they've got it off the arm there. They're probably putting a new arm up on that pole. Maybe they've been replacing the poles. Okay, there we go. And I'm getting through just in time. There you go. For this guy here to have his turn. There's nobody behind me. Okay. So they've been doing it. They've been replacing the poles. So I could see what they're doing. They have to take the cross arm off and have a crane to hold the power line up. Then they replace the pole, put a new cross arm on with new insulators and more capacity for wires, and then put it back together. All right. The signs are there on the side of the road, but facing the other way. Steve AB4 y'all. That's our high voltage utility adventure for the day. Saying see you in 73. Well, we're going to go by them again. Let's see if they got the crane up or the crane down by the school here. See Bailey Grove Baptist School. Well, they're still working on the crane. It's just after 4 p.m. There we go. There we go, guys. Hook them up. This tire's been here for a couple of days. There we go. We got to it. No problem. Steve AB4 y'all. Just gonna go climb Faith Rock Trail. Daily exercise. Saying see you at 73.